Welcome to Maison Dental. I'm Dr. Glafira, and for today's video we'll be talking about flossing, everyone's favourite chore. If you haven't heard your dentist tell you to floss more, then you're probably one of the lucky ones. Yes, we all know you'll rather do something else, but if you haven't been flossing, it's like not washing half of your body when you've been showering. There are many different types of floss available in the market. It comes down to personal preference as to which one you find is easiest to use for your teeth. You can find thin floss, such as the Oral-B Essential Floss, floss tapes, which are wider and flatter and may be easier to use for wider gaps. They come waxed or unwaxed. A wax coating may make it easier for the floss to slide in between the teeth. Unwaxed is fluffier, as you can see here. There are other products like the Gorilla Floss, which are really strong and very difficult to tear. If you have braces, fixed retainers or a bridge, you'll find using the Super Floss much easier. It has a hard end, which you use to thread between the teeth, and then the soft part to floss between the teeth. If you have trouble wrapping the floss around the fingers, floss sets like this one may be easier to use to clean between the teeth. Cut a piece of floss about 30 to 40 centimeters long. Wrap the ends of the floss around 2 fingers. I'm using my index fingers. Keep the distance between the 2 fingers short, around 2 centimeters, so that the floss is nice and taut. Slide the floss in between the long axis of the teeth, underneath the gum, wrap it around the curve of one tooth, flick down, wrap it around the curve of the other tooth, then flick down. Continue on between every single tooth. When you get to the back teeth, you may need to release the floss a little and use the pad of the finger to guide the floss. Don't slide the floss in and out, use an up and down motion. It doesn't matter which fingers you use, just try and see which fingers feel most comfortable for you, whether it's your thumb, your index fingers, or your middle finger.